Hello, welcome to Physics Semester 1 with Mrs. Bierke. I'm going to give you a little bit of background about me and about the class and where you can get help. I've been working in education for over 16 years. 14 of those years were at high school and 2 years at middle school. I spent 3 years doing science research, but I started teaching back in 1997, long before any of you were born. Currently, I teach the STEM classes at Jefferson Middle School in Champaign, Illinois. So what do I enjoy doing? Well, you see a picture here of two of the things I enjoy doing stuff with. My dogs, Winston and Willow. I also enjoy reading, and I read quite a variety of things, including science books for fun. Yes, I read science, especially rocket science and space science things. I enjoy reading biographies, specifically astronaut biographies, Warner Braun, those types. And then I enjoy also reading science fiction and fantasy novels. And I do actually enjoy the classics. I have read most of the Dickens novels and most of Jane Austen's works as well. And as I was saying, I spend a lot of time with my dogs, taking classes with them, and the classes that we tend to take are agility and obedience classes. I enjoy walking and hiking. I also enjoy travel, and usually try and spend as much of the summers doing that I can. And then I spend the rest of the winter trying to catch up with all the photographs I've taken and scrapbooking those. So how is it best to contact me? Well, the best thing to do is to email me, which you see my email here. You can also text or call me. My phone number is also here. I teach during the day, so I may not be able to get back to you until after school. And sometimes, depending on days that I have meetings, that might mean till 4 or 5 o'clock. And I do usually not answer telephone calls much after 9 o'clock each night, just because I get up and start my day at about 5:30 in the morning, and I usually make it to school by 6:30. So it's a very long day. So you'll sometimes see that I'll check grades and check in on IVS stuff, so you may get early morning emails from me sometimes. In Physics Semester 1, we cover Introduction to Physics, so background information on what physics is and why we study it. The second unit is on energy and energy conversions and understanding how to measure energy. And the third unit is kinematics. This is movement and figuring out, and you will use a lot of trigonometry and algebra in this class. Unit 4 is dynamics. And Unit 5 is movement and gravitation. So we get a little bit of space science in there at the end and talk about gravity. So it is an important part of that. So we cover a wide variety of topics in Semester 1. And it is completely separate from what you do in Semester 2. So if you go on to take that class, you'll find out more about that later. So where should you go to get help? Well, one of the big things is to contact me. If it's technical help, if you're having trouble logging in or having issues with something not working, you can contact the Illinois Virtual School Help Center on the Illinois Virtual School website, and they can fill out that. I can also fill out a help desk ticket if you need help with that as well. I also have included some really great resources on our website that you can use to look up and get some additional help. So please use those resources, and don't struggle and wait until you're several weeks in and get behind pace to get help. That's what we're here for.